don't dig it.
Hey y'all, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel and welcome back if you already subscribed. So shout out to True Glory here for sending me this beautiful 360 wig. But first, I'm just wiping off her edges because she had makeup on her edges, and then I'm gonna do the ball cap method. Now if you watch my videos, you really I hate the ball cap method. I say this in every video. I hate using caps to do my wig. So I don't know why I did it today because it kind of backfired a little bit, but I feel like I recovered. So sit back and enjoy this video because honestly, I don't know how I ended up pulling it off, but yeah. And I also want to say that I am not a professional. This is not a tutorial, but I was sent this wig and I didn't want to install it on myself because my birthday is in like 2 days and I wanted my hair done a certain way and I didn't want to wear this wig for my birthday, so I installed it on my sister. So yeah, I'm not a professional. Don't be coming for me in the comments because it's not a perfect install and I did mess up on some parts, which y'all will see in the video. So yeah. So if you a beginner and you really don't install wigs like that, but you want to do the ball cap method, I would strongly suggest using a sharp razor. What is that? I'm about to say a razor blade. A sharp razor stick to cut the cap off and do the baby hairs and all that stuff. My razor stick wasn't that sharp and I didn't realize that it was really dull until it was time for me to do the baby hairs. So don't be like me, child. If you see it's snagging or not doing that good, then go ahead and switch it out or don't use it at all because it'll leave so much more for you to work on. And as you can see, the lace is it's not that laid right here, so that's why I went back in with the freeze spray and sprayed it on the lace. And then I also went back in with that got to be gel or got to be glue, whatever it is, child. I don't know if it's gel or glue, but I went back in with that to lay it down and I let it sit for I let it sit until it dried. So obviously y'all can't see that because it's edited, but don't think I put the wig on with that glue really wet. It was tacky. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so instead of using makeup like foundation or concealer, I decided to use this lace tint because I love this lace tint and I put it on a wig as well. And here comes the wig. So True Glory reached out to me and I didn't tell them this, but I had already used their wigs before. I used to wear True Glory hair when I was in high school. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, come on. I love when companies that I actually use reach out to me. But as you can see right here, man, her head is so freaking big. I don't know if the wig was just too small, but as y'all can see, her head is big. So I'm blaming it on her head. But this one, she started feeling herself, Y'all gonna see her a couple of times pull out her phone trying to look cute. But yeah, her head is so freaking big. And shout out to True Glory here for sending me this wig because I'm already knowing. I already know how good their hair is. So the link to the wig and their official website will be in the description box. Okay, y'all, so this is where I went back in with that got to be glued gel or whatever, and I just lined it up around her hairline. As you can see, the cap look a freaking mess. That's why I said doing the ball cap method kind of backfired on me. That's why I hate doing it, so I don't know why I did it today. But I just let that glue sit on her head for I don't know, I just let it get tacky, and right here I'm just pulling the wig up and installing it. Like, do not install the wig with the glue like really runny. Like, wait till it get tacky. And I use the end of my rat tail comb to kind of like press it in, because I don't want like the glue to turn white, so that's why I don't touch it with my hand. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video, but child, this cap just I really hate using wig caps. I don't know why I did it today. So, and another thing I wanted to say is that I did bleach the knots to this wig, and I plucked the lace. I have a detailed video on my channel of me bleaching the knots and plucking the lace, and that video will be up in the cards, because it's very detailed, and I do the same exact thing to all my wigs. So yeah. So from the front, this wig do look a little, ghosty. You can see the glue a little bit, but when you turn to the side, it's definitely melted. And in person, it look not a lot much. Child, I'm halfway asleep. It look a lot more better. So yeah, don't let this camera fool you now. Although I'm not a professional, this wig still turned out very good. Okay, y'all, so I also have a video on my channel of me curling hair with a flat iron, and it's very detailed, so that'll be in the linked up in the cards as well. I didn't go into detail in this video, so go watch that video if you want to know how I curl her hair. Y'all, so at this moment, she had got real mad because she started seeing all this crust on her hair. Oh my God, look at her. Like, she's not smiling no more. Look at her. But I went in with that same witch hazel that I used at the beginning to wipe off her makeup. I used that to wipe off all the crust because, you're going to get some crust on that lace, and it is what it is. But yeah, just wipe it off. That's it. She'll start back smiling in a little while, so yeah, ignore her facial expressions, because I kept telling her she's like a freaking dead ant or something. Like, she just looks so weird in this video because she was trying not to do certain stuff, and I'm like, girl, I can edit stuff out. So yeah, but here go my least favorite part. Oh my God, baby hairs. If you know me, you know I hate doing baby hairs too. They just I hate doing baby hairs so much. But since I took my time and plucked this lace, it wasn't as hard, or I guess because I did it on somebody else, it wasn't as hard. But when I do my own baby hairs, it takes me so freaking long. But with her, it didn't take that long. I just had to do it, and I changed a little bit. But for the most part, I really hate doing baby hairs, so just bear with me. like for real. And I went in with that Nairobi hair foam. I didn't want to use like edge control or nothing because I didn't know if she wanted to like go in and change her own baby hair, because she was like, oh, do you want me to do it? And I'm like, no, like this is my video, let me try to do it. So let me shut up. So I know the size of her wig look a mess. Just ignore that. Like I said, I'm not a professional, and this is like my first time ever installing a wig on somebody. But I do feel like if I wouldn't have, used the freaking cap, it would have turned out great. But for the most part, this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching, and thank you to True Glory for sending me this hair. And make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms, because your girl trying to get her following up. But bye, y'all.